Hello, this is the installation guide for the compact and smart water purifier Coway Aquamega 200C. Before starting the installation, read the user's manual carefully and make sure to check the proper water pressure. Following is the component list. User manual: 1 T-valve, 1 drain hose, 1 1/4-inch tubing, 3 L fittings, 1 T-fitting, fitting spatter, mesh filter, and 5 locking clips are included with the Coway Aquamega 200C. Make sure you are familiar with the usage of the fitting components before proceeding with the installation. In order to detach the fitting, you have to depressurize the product and keep pushing the collet of the fitting and then detach the tubing. There are two options to install the Coway Aquamega 200C. Let's go through the first option. Lock the cold water supply under the sink using the shutoff valve and turn on the faucet to drain any residual water. Disconnect the cold water supply line from the shutoff valve using a wrench. Connect the T-valve to the cold water shutoff. Reconnect the water supply hose to the top of the T-valve using a wrench to ensure the connection is tight. Connect the enclosed tubing to the back of the Coway Aquamega 200C. You may use the L fitting to connect the tubing if needed. After the installation, place the Coway Aquamega 200C where it will remain on your kitchen counter. Next, you will need to create a hole in your counter for the tubing to come through. In this example, we are drilling a 1/4-inch hole into the countertop before pushing the tubing through the hole. If drilling a new hole is required for installation, please consult a professional. Connect the tubing attached behind the product to the T-valve installed for the cold water supply. Then, turn on the water shutoff and T-valve. Be sure to check for leaks. To install your Coway Aquamega 200C using the refrigerator tubing, please complete the following steps. If there is a pre-existing 1/4-inch tubing available on the ice maker or refrigerator, turn off the water supply shutoff valve or the T-valve that is already installed. After closing the valves, cut the connected tubing and connect it to the enclosed T-fitting. Connect the enclosed tubing to the back of the Coway Aquamega 200C. You may use the L fitting to connect the tubing if needed. Now, turn on the water shutoff and T-valve and be sure to check for leaks. If you install your Coway Aquamega 200C via the under the sink or the refrigerator tubing, please complete the following steps carefully. If you connect the power cable, you will be able to check if the product is on. Flush the Coway Aquamega before using it by running ambient water for 3 minutes and then cold water for 3 minutes and discard the water. Note, cold water will not come out for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not drink the water used to flush the product. Use the drain hose to make the flushing more convenient. After flushing the unit, install the mesh filter on the back of the Coway Aquamega 200C and place the product at the proper location. Next, place the stopper to maintain the distance between the product and the wall. Last, make sure to check for leaks. This is the end of all installation processes. Visit the iPhone App Store or Google Play Store to download the iOCare app to control the Coway Aquamega 200C. Now, your Coway Aquamega 200C installation is complete. Enjoy clean water with your Coway Aquamega 200C. Coway Aquamega.